Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add ERC20 token to Coinbase Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Coinbase Wallet, and here you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, in order to find the ERC20 token address, you just have to tap on the copy button in the top, and from here you just have to copy the Ethereum address. Now you just have to launch that wallet or that exchange in which you have your ERC20 based token, and that you can send to your Coinbase wallet. So let's say I'm going to use Trust Wallet. So let's say you have some ERC20 based token in your Trust Wallet application. So you need to launch it, and over here you just have to simply search for the token. So let's say we are going to search for USDT. So it is USDT based on the Ethereum network. So you just have to simply tap on it, and then you need to press send. After that, you need to paste the address that we have just copied from our Coinbase wallet, and here you need to enter the amount. After that, you need to press next. On the next page, you just have to simply review the information that you have mentioned and initiate and conclude your transaction. Now, once your transaction is completed, you will receive your token into your Coinbase wallet, and basically it will be added in your portfolio. So if you tap on the home page, you will be able to see the equivalent amount as well as a bunch of other options associated with it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.